Hello guys, we are back new with another episode of how to update all your apps with just a click using command prompt. So let's get started. So you go to your search, you type in CMD, you open or run as administrator, and you type in Winget upgrade, and you run. Wait small for it to load. Loading, waiting to be loading. Yeah, that's it. Load. See it loading. Yeah, see. Do you agree to all the source agreements? As far as new as you are doing it, you have to press yes. Continue. Why? So it will show you all of the list of apps on your PC and their versions available. Okay, so after that you type in Winget upgrade hyphen all. So wait for that one to be loading. Yeah, that so you wait for it to waiting, but not all apps maybe waiting to see the packages will be finishing. So you see it's downloading. Let's wait. Yeah, that's it. So we are done. This how to update all about using CMD. Don't forget to